Hello, everybody. With you, Mohammed Bermaui. Uh, I have received this week several questions about what is the color list that you have inside your indicators. If you buy any of my indicators, you will find that there is an option called chart color lists. So, what is a chart color list is, and why do I add them to my products? So, here is the idea. Uh, if you have a plan chart and you right click, choose properties, you will find something in MetaTrader 4 called the color scheme. The color scheme will show you, I don't like the word scheme, so I use a color list. The color lists that they offer with MetaTrader 4 is three color list: yellow on black, green on black, and black on white. If you choose any of them like this, you will have new colors on your chart. MetaTrader does not give us the ability to save our own color lists. I think the reason for this is that they build what they call it templates. Templates is some kind of color lists, but they are much more because they give you the ability to add objects like trend lines. They give you the ability to add indicators, to add expert advisor, and save all this package in what is called a template. But the color list is much more simple than this because it does not because you cannot load the chart with objects and indicators and expert advisors. Okay. So color list is about coloring and changing the properties of the main chart. This led me to build my own color lists and to add them as a list here. As you can see, we have four standard color lists. I might add more in the future to the charts, or I might leave them like this because this is not very important in trading. It is not about the core principle of any indicator, but it is a style. It is something about the style. If you don't like those color lists, then you can choose the do nothing. Okay, and when you choose the do nothing, this will give you the ability to change the colors. Let me show you. I will choose properties, and then I will change the colors here like whatever I want. I want the foreground to be in yellow. I wanted to make the pull candles without a color and the pair candles without a color, and to change the down bars to be orange and to change the up bars to be green. And by this, we got it. Now, if you switch it between time frames, there will be no problem. Okay, as you can see, there is no problem about switching between time frames. Some people come and say to me, hey, I have switched between time frames, but the color list keep returning me back again to the default by your indicators. The reason for this is that you are not adding only one of my indicators on the chart. The reason for this will be that you are adding two indicators and you forgot to change the color list in the second indicator. So take a look here. I will leave it like on Alex. It is not about do nothing. I will leave it on Alex. And when I will add it, it will change the colors to be the Alex color. I hope that this is clear for you, and thank you a lot for listening for me in this short video about color lists.